Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into Tableau to explore how to create interactive filters using buttons. We will be working with the Superstore sales dataset to filter data by year, using parameter controls. Before we start building, let's grasp the objective. We have a sales dataset spanning multiple of years, from 2014 to 2017. We want to create an interactive way to filter this dashboard by year, using buttons as shown. Let's get started. Here we created a new Tableau workbook to start working step by step together. We go and import our dataset Excel file. We need to change the data type of the order date and ship date columns into date instead of string. Then, we go to a new sheet and create our parameter. We name it order year. This parameter will be a list of all order years, which range from 2014 to 2017. We adjust its display format as we like. Great. After that, we need to create calculated fields. Let's say we need to draw a line chart, with the total sales of the filtered year on the y-axis, and the year's months on the x-axis. To do that, we need to create 5 calculated fields. Let's start by the first one. We name it 2014 sales. We simply type in this field that, if the order year is equal to 2014, then return the sales for this order. We repeat the same steps for each of the other years. Finally, we need to add another calculated field. This calculated field is the most important one, simply because it makes our chart y-axis dependent on our parameter value, so that to make it dynamic, we name it year sales. We type in it that, if our parameter equals to 2014, then, return the calculated field 2014 sales, and so on. After we create all our fields and parameter, we drag the month portion of the order date to the columns field, and the year sales to the rows field. We go and show our parameter list, to check that our graph changes as we change our parameter value. Excellent. The next step is to create our buttons. These buttons are actually images. We go and open the PowerPoint software, and from Insert Shapes, we choose this rectangle with rounded ends. And type in it 2014 with suitable font formats. Then, right-click on the shape, and choose Save as Picture. To save this picture in the right place, go to Documents, My Tableau repository, Shapes, My Shapes. Then click Save. We make the same steps for the other year's buttons. We create a new sheet. And from Shapes, we insert our images. We insert each image in a single sheet. We write in the Detail field a manual formula, just to return the corresponding parameter value for each image. Great. Now, we created all what we need, the chart and the images. I've collected all what was created in a simple dashboard as shown. The last thing is to make these images clickable such that, when we click on it, the chart changes to what we want. This can be done through Worksheet Actions. We will go to each image sheet. Under Worksheet ribbon, select Actions. We then click on Add Action, and choose Change Parameter. We name it 2014 Sales. The source sheet is the sheet or dashboard in which, when you click the image sheet, the target parameter value will change to the source value. Here we select the target sheet as our dashboard, and activate only Sheet 2, which is our current sheet. We choose the target parameter as the order year. The source field is our manual calculation we added in each sheet. We repeat these steps for each image sheet. Now, if we go to our dashboard, and click on any image, it will achieve what we want as you see. Fantastic! And there you have it. Using parameter controls and image buttons in Tableau, we have created an interactive way to filter our data. This technique can be incredibly useful for various data analysis scenarios. Experiment with different datasets and visualizations to explore its full potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Tableau tutorials and data visualization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.